Hey guys, Chichi here. Welcome back to my channel. You guys know that I wanted to do a look or two using the BH Cosmetics It's My Raye palette. So I wanted to play around with it and see where I land. I have no clue what look I'm going for, so if it's awesome, you guys will probably like love me forever and put a statue in my honor. And if it's terrible, I'm sure someone in the comments is gonna let me know. But yeah, let's just get into it. I'm gonna take the color Brick using the number 6 brush from her brush collection and just work this into the crease. I'm just taking this all the way to the bridge of my nose. Nice and blend it out. Pull it out just a tiny bit because I have no idea where we're going, but we're gonna pull it out. Taking my Sigma E35 brush, I'm gonna go into Bark a little bit and just really define that crease. All right, nothing super exciting with that. Taking my NYX eyeshadow base with the Sigma E62, I'm gonna attempt to cut a crease. So this is my first time actually doing it. I'm nervous AF. Picked up a little too much product, so now I'm trying to kind of wipe it away and blend it out all at the same time. I need silence in your prayers while I'm doing this. Yeah, that's what I should have did. I should have went in with the least amount of product and then filled it in. Now I know. Now I know. Not quite sure if I did the best job, but damn it, this is where we're at. We're gonna go with it. So I'm gonna go in with my number 8 brush from It's My Raye's collection, and I'm gonna go in with Canary. You can see this is a lot brighter with the white base. If you saw the swatch video that I did, and I said it will come out a little bit brighter if you did use a white base, and it's looking to be true. I'm only going to take this color about 1/3 of the way and see where else, what other color I want to do. I think I'm going to go back into Brick and line that up right next to Canary. I'm just kind of fading those two colors into each other. I'm just using light tapping motions just to kind of put that color where I really want it. Going in with my Sigma E25 brush, I think I'm gonna use a bit of, I think I might go into Flare. Yeah, let's do Flare. We're gonna put that right next to Brick. Get a nice little gradient popping off right now. Basically just covering up this white part. I'm gonna stick with the same brush, and I think I'm gonna go into, let's do a little Bark. Put this right on the outer. I'm just gonna take it up into, but not covering that crease area. Because remember, some of that is already there. So I kind of already sketched it out a little bit for myself. If y'all see, you know, parts of my wig ain't laid, stuff like that, girl, it is nighttime. I worked a full 8-hour shift, and yeah, I'm here with you. So far, I'm not mad at this right now. I think I'm gonna go back in with Brick just to soften up the top. I'm excited. Yeah, we're gonna pack Golden Girl all over where Canary is and see where it goes. I don't know, I want a little extra. That's pretty cool. Look at me. Okay, I'm doing something. That's cute. Where else do we want? What else do we want to do? What else do we want to do? We want to go into Scarlet or Top Notch. Screw it. Let's just go to Top Notch. I know that was a little bit on the orangey kind of gold side. Blend these two together. And you know what I forgot to do? Spritz my brush. might add a little bit of scarlet to it. I'm gonna go into cacao, a mixture of cacao and flare. I don't want to deepen it too much, but I feel like I need a little extra oomph. So I want to keep this pretty light. I just want it to, you know, have a little fun. I'm a crazy person and I'm probably gonna screw it up, but let's mix a little of bark and flare. Maybe I should stop. Maybe. I got stuff all over my neck and my shirt because it's on my nails. I'm liking what's going on right now. I'm really digging it. I think I'm gonna line my eyes with my NYX Epic Liner pen. I don't think I'm gonna do a wing today though. I'm gonna add my Lily lashes in the style Rome. This is the one from Sephora. I heard that they're a little different, but yeah, I haven't had any problems with this particular pair. So, yo, I'm like really feeling myself right now. Like, I'm doing the damn thing. I'm gonna go put on my base and all that stuff and come back and we can do the under eye. So while I was finishing my face, I was like, you know what? I wanna do something a little bit more fun, something I probably have never done. I'm gonna line my eyes with my Urban Decay pencil in Goddess, and it's blue. You see where we're going here? Taking my Sigma E15 brush, I'm gonna go into Sapphire and I'm gonna smoke out my lash line. Let me stop real quick, put a tiny bit of powder under my eyes because remember when I did the swatch video, Sapphire kind of, you know, spread everywhere. So I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of powder right under my eyes just so it'll catch any fallout. Now we can go in and smoke this puppy out. Oh. I'm so excited. Oh my God, I didn't think this would look good. I don't want to mess this up under the blue. So I'm gonna take, oh shit, I'm nervous. I'm gonna take Brick on her number 7 brush and just right under that, like just add a little, blow it out just a tiny bit. All right, we're not losing anything. Good, cool. I'm gonna take this Sedona Lace 904 brush and go in with a mixture between flare and bark right on the outer end of this, and taking it maybe halfway. Oh my gosh, like I'm just at a loss for words. Like I'm just trying to do what comes to me right now. Yeah, I just want to blow out a little bit more with Brick. Just, I'm dumb geeked right now. I normally do not put mascara on my bottom lashes, but I feel like I still need some pizzazz. Nope, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Nope. I just got a huge clump of it on my eye. So I'm gonna let it dry and go back in with that blue. Cause yeah, I don't know how to do the lower lash mascara. And today is not the day to try it after all this. No. You know, I still kind of want to be extra in the eye area because we're just doing it. And caution to the wind. I'm gonna go in with Scarlet on my E68 brush from Sigma, and we're gonna play this one by the ear. Basically just trace that out. I'm literally doing the absolute most and enjoying every freaking second of this right now. Who is she? I don't know. Pull the birth certificate because I don't know who this bitch is, but this bitch is me. I'm going to take Top Notch right in the inner corner and to the bottom. I'm kind of faded into that blue. I'm gonna come back with, you know, the rest of my bronzer and my lip, and stay tuned for the finished look. Baby, I'm telling you, when I'm giving you your money's worth, I'm giving you your money's worth. I did go ahead and bronze my skin. If you're curious about my bronzer, these are the new Fenty ones. I did a comparison video. If you want to see it, I will link it right up here and in the description box. So again, I was thinking while the camera was off, I'm gonna use some highlighters. You know, her first palette had 3 highlighters. I could use, but we're going to use the palette. So I'm gonna take Top Notch. Oh, you know which brush I should have used? I'm gonna take her number 5 brush. I knew I could have used something else. I was like, I know she got another brush. I'm taking it right on top of my cheeks and a little on the nose. You know I'm a multi-purpose type of queen, so I gotta give it all to you guys. I gotta give it all to you. I just might add a little more depth. I'm gonna take her number 3. This is number 3 or number 4. I don't know because my brushes have the same number. I'm gonna take a little bit of Bark since we're doing the damn thing. Don't say I never taught you all nothing, okay? Giving you all these gifts of wealth and prosperity in your life. Yo, I snapped. Raye snapped. We all fucking snapped. Oh my God. Like, I've never done a look quite like this. I'm so proud of myself for doing this. I took a chance. It actually paid off. I know people can do it 10 times better. I don't care. You can't steal my light right now. You can't steal it. Oh my gosh. I'm so in love with this look. I'm proud of me. I am proud of me. Thank you, Raye, for putting these colors together, because I really sat down here and I did not know what to film, and yeah, I went off. I'm so happy I didn't go with the, you know, purple that I saw everyone doing, or the blue. Like, I did do a little bit of blue, but you know, I'm glad I just didn't do a typical look. Leave your comments down in the comment section. I really want to know what you guys think of this look. If I could have did more, could have did less, you know, use those fingers, you know. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. I wish I had somewhere to go. It's nighttime. I'm about to stay up. I'm about to get on FaceTime with somebody. Somebody gonna see all this. I'm about to go to shop right at Walmart, like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, and I will catch you in the next video. Stay comfy, guys. Bye.